Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to fold the HyperPhoenix Omega. This design is one of my favorites besides Dagger. It's literally good. As you can see, it has like two like these spikes, the these spikes. You can actually put missiles in it on it if you want, and you have this more triangular canards that I actually redesigned last minute. Before it was originally like this, like a more diamond shaped, and I just like experimented, and this is the final product. It has retractable landing gears. Yeah, retractable landing gears. Yeah, and it has like two air intakes, which I like shaped badly. Two air intakes and two afterburners. So this actually flies better than this. When I redesigned this canard fin, it actually flies better than this diamond shaped canard fin. And the original design, which is this one, has like two like these air intakes, which at this point I didn't even shape it because I need to fly it. So this is the original model that I designed. This is actually for flight. As you can see, there's like landing gear, but I didn't fold this one because I needed to actually fly. This flies okay, but you just need a lot of adjustments before flying. But this, it doesn't need too much, just like that. So let's start the tutorial. So prepare a square sheet of paper, kami paper, any paper. So first we're gonna fold the diagonals. It's actually been so long. It's actually so long since I did a tutorial. Just fold diagonals. It's pretty a crucial step for you to like get it precise. And fold this edge to this edge. It makes the base more easier to fold. Make sure it's precise nicely. Maybe this tutorial is gonna be like an hour. I don't know. Need to keep it absolutely precise. Okay, so now we're gonna fold this in half, which you did the 4 folds. Which you did the 4 diagonal folds. You're just gonna fold this point to this point that you already folded. And then you have this line here. Oh my god. It's like very hard to notice. Let me my camera real quick. Like that. Let me do it to let you guys see more clearly. You have this line here. You fold this edge to this line. It makes the base a little bit easier to fold. then you open it up and fold and squash fold. It's not very precise though. Can I fix it? Bruh. Let me try the other way. No. Why is it like this? Bruh. Don't care. I'm gonna just do it. Like that. Once you squash fold, you open here up, and you place it like this and open these up like that, and then fold this down, this point to this point. Use your fingernail to crease it. And then you're gonna fold like this. You need to fold it like that. Just maximize it. Just fold it to the maximum. I don't know how to explain. Just fold it like that. Just fold this up. And like that, in an intersection right there. Yeah, like that. Once you've done this, flip it over and fold this down according to this point here. Why is my camera so shit, bro? Like that. Then flip it over again and fold this edge to this line. Make sure this crease is. Oh my god, why is my camera like that? This crease match up with this crease, the center crease. Need to be as precise as possible. Okay, like that. Then you just fold this edge to this line here, or you just fold this down. You have an existing crease here. Hope you guys understand this tutorial, because my explanation is shit and my camera shit. And just flip it over, just fold this edge down to the center crease. Do the same thing. And then you unfold here and take out this this flap. Take out this flap and just like that flatten it, and then you're gonna do another squash fold. If you want to be precise, you just fold this edge to this line here to be more precise, and then just open it up and fold this flap out and fold it like that, just squash fold. And then we're gonna do we're now doing a crane base, which is the Zuru base that you use to do the origami crane, traditional crane. And so fold this edge to this center line. Like so, and then you take this out. You have this line right, you just fold it in like that, and then you're gonna fold through this line here that creates a point. That, crease it, then fold this down, and then unfold all of it. Unfold it. Unfold just the top section actually, and keep it like that. Let me do it again. Once you have like this, right, you just open it up. You just open it up. Open this top section. You just take it out, and then just like that, just the top section, just like that, and then you have this here. You just pull it out and just fold the remaining back, if that makes any sense. And then you'll create this like Zuru base, which is here, the crane base, the half of the crane base. Just fold it out, and then once you have like this, you use your middle finger, spread this out, and then squash it here, and then there's a line here. You just fold it up, and this part is a little bit like tricky. Like you have this line here, just do a mountain fold. Just like so. Okay, so you just like that, just flatten this. So you have like this, right? The crane base here. You just leave it like that, and then so there's like this shape here, this part here. You just fold this down. You have just the existing lines. You just do a lot of squash fold here. It's so good to be back to do another tutorial, because it's been so long since I did the last tutorial. So let's continue. We just now fold this point up to this point. This will be the canard fins. Now for now you just leave it like that. Then now we're gonna focus on these parts. Maybe I've like forgotten how to do these canard fins, but I'll just figure it out. So for now, you just fold this up, fold all of these 3 layers up, just fold it all up to this line here, which is the limit part. Actually, you cannot actually pull it in front except for this first layer. This will be the wings. Make sure you fold it to here. Crease it sharply. It's quite big. Yeah, this part very shit. Fold. This fold's pretty crappy. Let me just correct it. This will eventually, I don't know. This will actually eventually be the air intakes right here. It takes a lot of patience to fold origami, especially like designing things. I think that's okay. Like that, and just do the same thing. I actually don't recommend fold all of these three layers up. Just fold the layers one by one. You just fold this first layer. Oh my god. What happened to the paper? Bruh. I don't care about that. Just fold it. And just fold it again. Just fold it again, the third layer. Whether you can see it or not, this is pretty okay, but it's a little bit unprecise. But I think that's okay. Right there. And then you just fold this layer, this long piece. Just fold. You just reverse fold. Do the same thing. Okay, like that. Press it precisely. Then we're gonna fold these two layers down. Fold these two layers down. Now we're gonna create the canard fins. So we're gonna fold this edge to the center crease. Do the same thing. And then we're gonna unfold this. We're gonna take this thin layer, this one, fold this point to this line here. And you just unfold it and fold it back. As you can see, you're gonna fold the canard fins to the line there. Fold the canard fins to the line there. Oh my god, my camera is so freaking shit. But hope you guys can follow. Like that. And just let it stay there. Let me see for a sec. Okay. Maybe I should check on this one, because I think I forgot to actually fold the canard fins. Okay, I know now. So we're gonna fold this down. Fold this down. And fold this. This is actually, it's not actually like I don't know how to explain this. You just follow it. Just fold this down. Fold this point here. It's not from like that. You just fold it like that. This intersects with like this point, as you can point or line. This line here. Just fold it up. This is how I create the diamond canards on the original design. Put it like that, and you just fold this up, and make sure for check symmetry. You just follow the other side. Let me fix it here. This fold will eventually have a tear, but that's not very important. And now we're gonna like do this fold, which is the almost the fun part of this fold, this origami model jet. You just open it up, but these two things prevent you from like flatten it. You just open this up and you just do a mountain fold here, and then you have like that, you have that crease here. You just fold it up. Particularly a fun fold here. We can actually do it in another order, but I like to do it in this order here, like that. I just fold it like that. Let me check this for a sec. Let me figure it out because I forgot how to fold the canard fins. Oh, wait. Let me open this up first. Okay, I get it now. So now we're gonna fold. Actually, we have this right. We actually don't actually need this. We just, let me check for a second. We can actually follow this if I want to. Let me try. Okay, so this is only try. You can also follow this. Okay, so we're gonna fold this down. We have this flap here. We're gonna just fold it up, reverse fold. And then I think okay, I know something now. So this is the correct fold. You can actually follow this. Okay, there's like this here, this point here. Just fold this up to that point, like that, right there, like that. Okay, fold it like that, and then I'm gonna just open this, just lift this up, and just fold this to this line, or just fold it inside if you want to, but we're gonna fold this first. Wait, that's not correct. Wait, what? You can actually do it like that. This canard fin is a little bit different. Did I just do a new canard fin design? Maybe. It's actually same shape. It's actually the same shape. Okay, just do it like that. A new, easier. It's not easier. It's just the same fold but different fold. This one is a little bit inside, not at this point. A little bit inside, right there. Just fold it like that. It's actually no problem. And then you're gonna fold this up. And then this fold that you've created like that, you just tuck it inside. Pretty strange fold. This back part. I don't care about that. Just like that. Like that there. Pretty good. And just repeat it here. Open this up and fold this up. Fold the line. And like this. And then wait. Is it correct? Okay, you just fold this up. This point here, just lift it up. Like that. Like that, lift it up. Then flatten it. Oh my god, my English. Like that. And then just fold this. Just fold this according to here. Like that. Make sure it's good. Like that. I don't care about this part actually. I don't care about this part. But if you want to, you can actually fix this problem. Okay, just like that. This will actually affect the jet flow. Let me just fix this real quick. Yeah, maybe like that. Then we have actually done the canard now. Maybe because on this model I've actually like reinforced the canard fin, but I don't know if I want to here. It looks kind of good. If I reinforced it, it will be like this, more triangle. Like this is more. I don't know. Should I do it? I don't know. That if you want to follow this step, you follow. You just open this up, fold this till this edge, this actually like that, to this middle line, like that. As you can see, like that. Then just repeat it here. That pretty easy. And now we have like this kind of canard. Is it symmetrical? You need to actually check the symmetricity, if that's a word. Oh, it's not symmetricity, it's called symmetry. Sorry. Like that. It's symmetrical. So that's fine. And you just fold this up. For easier to jet fold, just fold this up. Like that. And then you have successfully done the canard fins. And now we're gonna just do the wings. No, actually, we're not gonna do the wings first. We're gonna like pre-jet fold this because it's gonna be much more easier to jet fold later. So we're gonna just jet fold it now. Just follow this line here. Pretty easy. Just follow it. Once you have creased it, we have the jet fold now done. Oh, okay. Once you have jet fold, you're gonna reinforce the nose. So now we're gonna open here, two sections here. We're gonna just pull it till it becomes like this, and you just flatten it. If you have been doing origami or so, you made this fold is very easy. If you haven't even do origami, this fold is gonna be a little bit confusing. And now once you have done this, you open this layer out, which you can see this shape. You just fold this edge to this line. And once you have that, as you can see, it has like this. It doesn't lay flat, it's just like this. And you're just gonna fold this down. You're just gonna fold this down. And then we're gonna fold it down again and repeat the same step at the bottom. We just fold this up. Pretty easy. This actually reinforced the nose a little bit. Yeah. And just do the same step. Flip it over. Do it again. Right there, you have successfully reinforced the nose. And now we're gonna work on the wings and then the landing gear and then the fin here, and then we're done. And the landing gear. Okay. So now we're gonna we're gonna do the fin first. So just fold this like down, so make sure it's like this. My explanation is pretty bad. Then I'm gonna fold this point to this middle line here. Just a light fold, and then you're gonna just fold this to this edge. And then we're gonna fold this line to the edge again. Like so. And now we're gonna do here, we're gonna hold this part. We just pull this like here, pull this, and then we're gonna just fold this down. And just do it the same thing here. Pretty fun step. Just like that. And you just unfold it just back to this form. Then now we're gonna do the wings, and later we're gonna do the landing gears. And now when we did that fold here, it actually limits here. Once it was like here and now it's here. So now we're gonna fold this to this second time, which is here to here. Like that. This will actually be the air intake. Like, oh my god. Like that. And then we're gonna work on the wings first, then the landing gears. So now we're gonna open now we're gonna open this part, which is like just fold one layer up, two layer up, and then we're gonna just fold this edge to this line. That just give it a light fold that you can actually see. Just don't fold it, just do a light fold. And then we're gonna now fold this edge to this edge. Make sure you can see the line. Like that. And now we're gonna just fold it, crease it. Now we're gonna fold this up. Okay, this is actually a estimation step, a judgment fold. So now we're gonna fold this up, and we have this, and we have this right, this part right. We'll just fold this up. And now we have this part, and this part we need to like be in the middle, in the middle. And when we are done with this step, we're gonna point this point to the nose, which is like almost like that. And then we're gonna crease here. We're gonna crease here, and then we're gonna fold this to the line. And this fold, this part is not very precise, so we're gonna fold this to like that. Follow this line here. Once you have this, you actually can see the middle line here. This line that we folded, we just fold this up, match that here. And then we're gonna fold this up because we need to reinforce the wing. We fold this up, but this is kind of tricky and a more uncomfortable step. Just fold this edge to this line. This is actually a pretty hard fold, but you can do it. Like that. Like that. Then we'll just close it. Oh my god, why is it like this? But it's okay. And now, once we've done that step, we're gonna have this here, which is still unlocked. Now we're gonna fold, no, not fold. Now we're gonna open this flap here, if it's a flap. Open this pocket actually, and we just slide and just fold that in, and you have just and locked the what. You can actually call this a missile rack. And then now we're gonna fold this down according to that edge right there here. Now I have fold here like that. And now we're gonna do it the other side. Just the same process. We're gonna do it faster. Just a light fold here, then we're gonna fold this again. Crease it all along, and then just fold this up. And now we're gonna check the symmetry. Fold this up. How do I check it? If it's like this, it's okay. Just according to this edge here. And the point over there. Like that. Yeah, like that. And now we've done this part. Let's check it again. Okay. Right here, just follow the same step. Put this up, this up here, and then just fold this edge to that line. Like that. And I'm gonna open this pocket and just fold it in. And you have successfully done the wings. Just fold it like that, and just crease it, because we done the valley fold, right? We're gonna just like a little like reverse fold like that. Yeah, just like that. Look how cool this wing is. Cool wing. And then we're gonna do the landing gear, and we're almost done. So first we're gonna fold this edge to this line here. And fold this line to this edge. And fold this edge to this line. And once we've done that, we're gonna fold this up, and then we're gonna fold this down. And then we're gonna fold this like that to this edge to this edge. And then now we have it like that, right? We have it like that, like here. We just fold this to the point. Once we've done that, we just flatten it and just fold this valley fold, and then like that, and fold this edge to this edge. It's not actually the edge. You just gotta like follow here. Once I've done that, just do it on the other side. I'm gonna go fast here. And then do the same thing here. Put this down. Put this down. Then fold this edge here. And then fold this up. And according to this edge here. Like so. And now we're done the landing gears. We're gonna fold this up. Right there. And then we're gonna fold the the fin, I'm gonna just fold it like that. Just repeat the same steps. Then now we jet fold. Like we've jet folded before. Like see, now it's like pretty difficult to jet fold. So this is going to be the air intake. So we're gonna just fold this down real quick. And then we're gonna jet fold. Mix it. Oh my god. I'm gonna repeat it again. We have this air intake fold. We just fold it down like so. And then we jet fold. I've jet folded before. It's almost the hardest step. You gotta tuck in right there. Not tuck in, just you gotta just shape it. Pretty messy. Okay. Now we have done here. My god, there's a tear here. So once we've done here, we're gonna fold the fin out. Make sure it's like that. And then just estimate however you want. I'll just be like that. It's according to your personal preference. I like it like that, but don't know what you like. Just you're gonna be like that. This is like the used Alex Vesper jet. Pretty similar. This is almost similar to the Vesper Alpha. Then fold it like that. I'm gonna, so we have this line here. I have this line here, just fold it up. This is gonna be the locking mechanism. I'm gonna lock the plane. Just fold this up again. Crease it very strongly. And then we'll just fold this down. Now we're gonna fold the wing up. Look at that. Just like that. We have successfully done. Why is it like almost like different? But it's still the same. Yeah, still the same. Just fold this down. Fold the canard fins up. Then there's the afterburners. We gotta shape them. Where's the pen? Let me use this real quick. Take a pen or pencil. Or just tuck it in here. Just roll it. My shaping, my afterburner shaping is pretty bad. Because I actually don't use this for display. I use this for flight. Just fold it like that. Good enough. And then we're gonna do the air intakes, which is we just not fold, just like wrinkle it. You can use a pen, but it's not necessary. Like that, and you just connect those both to the middle here, and that's the air intake right there. Okay, so why is the wing like actually wider? Don't know, but this is literally the plane, the jet. It looks cool. I actually took this Hyper Phoenix, like the first version was actually very shit looking, and the second version, which is the alpha that I did a tutorial, that one was actually an inspiration of the Anaconda plane by like Ethan Wong in like the photo flight. It was actually an inspiration of that plane. So this is the plane, and we're gonna just fold the landing gears down. And this is tucked in, which is pretty good for the landing gears. It's tucked in like that. And just fold that. Adjust that how you like it. Like so. And you have completed Hyper Phoenix Omega. Whoa, why is it like that? Anyways, we have successfully done the Hyper Phoenix Omega right here. If you want to fly it, you just bend the up elevator like that. So this is the plane. I like to retract it to be flight mode. That and shape. Just do the shapings like so. And just do the shaping. And so this is the Hyper Phoenix Omega. Just like that. So hope you enjoy this tutorial with me, and bye.